Hello, Albarquanos. Today I'm going to solve 1584 problem, mean cost to connect all points. First of all, let me introduce the problem. We given a dots, its nodes, and we have to execute the minimum cost to connect to other nodes by edges, and we have to execute, find out how many cost it's the minimum edges. First of all, in this case, in this algorithm, we should use the Prim's algorithm, and we have to connect all those and find out the minimum cost side. And when we creating edges, we have to know that n it's nodes, and all edges have to be the less than for one number equal to edges. Because to connect 5 nodes, we need only 4 edges. And the second rule, we don't have to create cycle. What does mean? When we're creating this, we don't have to connect like in circle or like this or like this. It creates a cycle, and we cannot escape this. That's why we have to connect all this only by without cycle. Okay, how we can do it? First of all, we create hash set, and in this hash set we have to note that we visit the exactly one the same nodes, and check this, are we visited here or not? Okay, let's do it. First of all, we have to give a digit, give a number for this, and for each these nodes we have to find the cost, minimum cost, and we checks are we visited these nodes or not, and we have the frontier hash set. It's other connects, other nodes that we don't connected, and how we can use it? We use breadth first search. In this node, we have to connect all those nodes, and we are checking: is this node, is this edge is minimum, or this one or this one? And in this case, just imagine we have the difficult edges that are connected, and only in this case we have to choose what is the minimum of these edges to connect each other. Okay, then first of all, for node 0, we have to find out what is the minimum cost to connect the other. First of all, in this node, when we're starting 0, we connect for all of them, and calculating which is the most minimum. And let's keep this by this. Let's keep it by there. Its cost and edges. Yes. For node 0, how to get from 0 to 0? It's cost 0 edges, and the other one, it's 1. We know visually it's like it's the very near to 0. It's we can see it because it's we are not computer, that's why we can see it's very near to 0. And the cost of this 4. And for other nodes, for 1 it's 4, for 2 it's and we are connecting from node 0 from node first, and we connecting from all of these nodes, and calculating which of these is the most the less. Of course it's a 3, I mean 3. And when we find this one, we note that 3 and node 1 are visited. For cost of this 3, it's cost 3, and from 3 we have to calculate which is the most near to the node, and of course we can visually see it's 4, and the cost it will be 4 at this by the graph. And we delete this, and we have to find the node the second node, and we are calculating which is the most less. Of course it's this one, because his one digit is next to the 1, that's why it's first node. Okay, and we note that 4th node is visited, and the last one is second, and we note that it's visited, and the cost of this 9. And when we're creating this, we note that we are summarizing all of these costs to find out the minimal cost to the connect to other nodes. 0, 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9, it's equal to 20. And that's how we solve it. And let's write the code. First of all, we create int n, it's that edges points length. Okay, boolean. We are checking are we visited or not. Okay, I'm speeding up.
Vermez.
Dikte kazma videosu koş. Videosu koş dikte. Dikte videosu koy. Hayır, hayır olmaz. Nerede posta gitti? Dostlar, Java Samsung. So it is, let's run this code. Priority queue. Yes, it's my mistake. Let's run this code again. Where is my... Yes, this is my mistake again. Yes, and it's running. Let's submit this code. Yes, and that's it. How I reach that value? First of all, I create n. It's a points length pointer, and I create Boolean array because I'm checking am I visiting this node or not, and I'm creating priority queue. In this queue, I put coordinates with my numbers, and I'm first of all, after creating this, I offer it's equal to the add, but he doesn't throw exceptions when it's not null, and I create total cost. It's my answer, and the edges use it, edges that I'm creating, and I do it less than n. It's pointing to the length of this point, and after that I create current array. In this current array, I am pointing cost and u. Cost it's cost, and the u it's place that's showing where am I. And in this it's a plugs algorithm. In this what is the math ABS? It's the absolute value of this when it's this decreasing two numbers, and when we get negative number, it returns positive numbers. After that, I am updating edges I'm used, and I am checking am I visited this, or if I am visited, then I am continuing. If it's not, and I'm going to this next step. And that it's beats. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.